Cosco Fire Protection, a trusted leader in fire and life safety for over 55 years. Protecting Oregon and Washington's largest employers: Nike, Boeing, the Moda Center, U of O, OSU, Home Depot, Walgreens, Kaiser Permanente, Lowe's, LA Fitness, PetSmart, and many more. Winter Tip of the Month: Winterizing your fire sprinkler system could save you thousands in repair costs. Unprotected and water-filled sprinkler pipes can freeze in the winter, and the sprinkler pipes can expand and break when the water thaws. Not properly maintaining your fire sprinkler system will cost you time, money, and energy in the event of preventable failures. Preventative maintenance can save you both time and money. Are your pipes protected? Would you like a free inspection quote? Call the fire protection experts today. 360-883-6383. Serving Oregon and Washington. Just one call to manage your fire and life safety needs. Service calls 24/7. Call Cosco Fire Protection for a free inspection quote today. 360-883-6383. Mention this video to receive a 10% discount, good through April 30th.